The Battle of Cartagena de Indias, fought in 1739, was a crucial engagement during the War of Jenkins Ear between Britain and Spain. This conflict centered on disputes over colonial territories and trade in the Americas. Cartagena de Indias, located in modern-day Colombia, was a key Spanish port and fortress. The British, aiming to disrupt Spanish influence and gain control of this strategic location, launched an expedition led by Vice Admiral Edward Vernon. The British fleet, consisting of over 180 ships and around 27,000 men, including soldiers and sailors, faced the formidable defenses of Cartagena, commanded by the Spanish Admiral Blas de Lezo. The Spanish defenses included strong fortifications, well-placed artillery, and a garrison of around 3,600 troops. Despite the numerical superiority of the British forces, the Spanish utilized the fort's robust defensive structures and Lezo's strategic acumen to great effect. The British commenced their attack with a naval bombardment followed by amphibious assaults. However, the Spanish defenders repelled these efforts through effective use of artillery and defensive maneuvers. The tropical climate, diseases like yellow fever and malaria, and logistical challenges further weakened the British forces. After several weeks of intense fighting and heavy casualties, the British were forced to abandon the siege and retreat. The failure of the British assault at Cartagena de Indias was a significant Spanish victory, securing their control over the region and demonstrating the resilience and tactical skill of Blas de Lezo. This battle highlighted the difficulties of colonial warfare and had lasting impacts on British and Spanish colonial ambitions in the Americas.